Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a testimonial slider layout using custom shapes in Photoshop. I start by creating a wide canvas in Photoshop. Then I draw a large rounded rectangle for the slider background. Now I place circular shapes for user avatars. After that I add arrow custom shapes for navigation. Next I insert testimonial text in the center. Now I keep padding generous for comfort. Then I apply light shadows to cards. After that I slightly blur background shapes. Now focus stays on the text. Then I zoom out to check balance. After that I adjust arrow size. Now navigation feels clear. Finally I refine spacing and colors. This slider layout now feels interactive.